Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't set up Apple Pay on iPhone. If you're using the iPhone and you want to set up your Apple Pay but you cannot, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you're connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. After 4 or 5 times, it will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and then go to your settings here, and here you have to simply go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. Then scroll down, go for this screen time option, and then go for this content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable this toggle to disable all the restrictions on your phone, and then retry to set up your Apple Pay. Or if you cannot, so let's see how can you easily fix that. You have to get official support from your Apple. So you have to tap on this browser. You have to open up your browser. It might be Safari or any else. Here you have to search for support.apple.com. You have to search for this website, or you can search Apple support. So once you have searched, you will get to this side screen. Here you have to select your device. In my case, I'm going to select iPhone, and then scroll down, and you will have to look for the option of get support. You have to simply tap on this start now option here, and once you have to scroll down, and you will get the option of more. Simply select that, then further scroll down and look for wallet from here. And once you get the wallet, select that option, then select this continue option, and here you have to select get more help, then tap on call us. And once you have that, you have to call on this number to call with Apple Support, and then you have to discuss about your issue, that why you cannot add or set up your Apple Pay on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.